Hello everyone. Hope you all are fine. In this crisis period, it is very tough to be fine, no? But we have to be fine and we have to be happy. So, let's introduce myself. I'm Tanushree Sarkar and I'm from West Bengal. And today it is my first video in my YouTube channel, that is Life and Literature with Tanushree. As the name itself suggests, you can see that literature and life. So I will discuss about the relationship between life and literature. And in this crisis period of time, while the whole world is suffering from a disease, we have to maintain our mental health. We have to maintain our mental health. There are lots of doctors, there is lots of people who will take care of your physical health. It can be shown if you if your hand is cut here, you can see the blood, no, it's as it's bleeding. But what about our mental blood? What is the color of that? What is the color of our tears? There is no color. And so people around us can't understand it. So, according to me, as I am a student, I have forgotten to tell you, as I am a student of English literature, my background is literature, and now I am pursuing my PhD in English literature from Mangalayatan University, Aligarh. So, I have I will not say that I have the best knowledge, but I have a little knowledge. I have a little knowledge about literature. And in every step, if you can relate the literature with your life, no. See, your life will be very beautiful. Very beautiful. I'm assuring you, okay? So, as I'm also an assistant professor in a private B.Ed college, so I thought to teach you also English pedagogy and psychology as per your need, okay? So, friends, please like my channel and do subscribe my channel, as you all know it is the need of me, okay? As I have started to discuss the life and literature, I will gradually in my every video I will try to make it more interesting, so that you can be tuned with me and you love my channel, and hope you all will enjoy my lessons, my classes, my conversation. It's not a lesson, don't take it as a lesson, it's the conversation of us. I will try to connect people with the literature or with the literary feelings of myself. And obviously there is everyone who loves lives, right? So we be have to be happy, have to be very cheerful in every moment. So what is the relationship between life and literature? I'm today as my first video, and a little bit I'm too confused, and I'm too much not so much, but a little bit I'm confused, as this is my new video. So I hope I will gradually recover it, okay? And friends, please support me and tell me what is wrong, what is right, and what will be more beneficial for you, okay? Give reviews about my acts, okay? So I think life and literature both is correlated, both is very interrelated. From the birth of a child till the death, life is all about literature. If you see or if you read any poetry, it gives you pleasure. Suppose you have break up with your girlfriend or boyfriend or beloved, right? So what can you give you pleasure? If you talk with your friends, if you talk with your family member, they will always give you the negative ideas, and your mind will be fulfilled with negative thoughts, depressions, that no, I have no way to live, like this, right? But literature has that value. Literature is the thing which can satisfy you, which can arise the positive hormones in our body. Literature is also a science. Okay, I will gradually discuss about this, about that. So only the literature is the tool through which you can conquer the world. You have already heard William Shakespeare, you have already heard about Samuel Taylor Coleridge, the age of romanticism, right? Those who are from literature background, they already know it. And those who are not, don't worry, I will learn you what is literature. And I am giving you the surety that you will surely see a movie or read a literature book after my lessons, after my session. Okay, so this is the basic, very basic concept and very basic relationship between life and literature. Just tonight, go for a dream, go for a very fairyland dream, and just try to relate what is life, what is literature. You can very easily connect the both. And in my next session, please share with me what is the, or what was your night dream. Maybe it's about your beloved ones, maybe about it's your success, maybe anything. Just don't hesitate to share with me. I will discuss in my next session about the dream theory of Freud and how dream theory and literature is interrelated, and it give us pleasure in our depression mood, in our time of dark time, through which time we are suffering now. We all, the people of the world, is suffering from a dark time, but we have to conquer it. We have to conquer it, and I am sure, and you also, you too have to take oath that with the surrealism and beauty of literature, we will conquer the world. So, friends, this is for today. This is my first video, so please like it and give me support so that I can show you the view, the very beautiful view, very spiritual view of literature, which will heal our wounds, heal the wounds of our daily life. So thank you, people.